Hello friends, welcome back to the channel and thank you very much. What I would like to speak today is about my 5 top cybersecurity books that influences my life and my career in cybersecurity. So I would like to share it with you. So the first book is Secrets and Lies by Bruce Schneier. And this is maybe one of the most legendary books that influences me the most and actually shifted me from interest in networking to cybersecurity. So Bruce Schneier is a technologist, CTO, founder of security companies, but also called as a guru by The Economist. Also has an amazing blog called Schneier on Security that is really recommended. While Secret and Lies was published in 2000, it's still relevant today, 21 years after, as it gets more updates, but the book explains everything you need to know about cybersecurity. As an example, it talks about that landscape and the digital threats, the attacks, the adversaries, the security needs, and speaks about technology, cryptography, computer security, identification and authentication, network computer security, network defenses, security, secure hardware, certificates, strategies about security like vulnerabilities, threat modeling, security policies, attack trees, security processes, and outlook for the future. In short, this is a must book for any technologists that are interested in cybersecurity, planning maybe to do a shift from networking to cybersecurity, or even start with cybersecurity. Second book I would like to speak about is more of an history book where wizards stay up late. And maybe this is the best ever historical book I have read about the internet. Where Wizards Stayed Up Late talks about the exciting story of the pioneers that are responsible for creating maybe the most talked about, most influential, and most far-reaching communication story since the invention of the telephone. So in the 1960s, where everyone looked at computers, large calculators, a band of visionaries, maybe even wizards as they called in the book, started to work on interlocking networks around the nation. And the book takes us behind the scene and shows the hard work, the genius, the happy accidents of their daring, stunning, and successful adventure. So it's a must book for technologists that love or want to learn more about the history of the internet. And this adventure is super exciting and insightful. So now we move to the third book, and the third book is The Art of Invisibility. This is coming from the world's most famous hacker, and that teaches you how to be safe in the age of Big Brother and Big Data. I think it's more even important today than before. And the book actually teaches you how to be invisible online. And what I really liked in this book is that the author, Kevin Mintic, is using real-life stories and use cases and practical go-to guide on how to perform actions, be invisible, and learn about the Big Brother. And reading this book, you will learn everything from passwords to smart usage of Wi-Fi to advanced technique to keep your anonymity. So in a sense, in my view, this is the best practical book that shows you step by step everything you need to know in order to protect yourself online. The fourth book I would like to speak about is Cyber War, the next threat to national security and what to do about it. And this book was written by Richard A. Clarke and Robert K. Neck. This book, Cyber War, is maybe the most important book about national security policy in the last several years. And I must say, in some sense, this is a very chilling, eye-opening book that shows you how cyber war is being waged, what are the threats for the individual, the threats for the national security, and provides many access to details and examples that are important for everyone that are interested in cybersecurity. So it's a very powerful book in my mind about government, military, strategy. It's also about criminals, spies, and hackers. It explains what cyber war is, how to use weapons in the cyber war as part of the cyber war, and how vulnerable we are. The last and not least is a unique book which been written by Neil Stephenson, and it's called Snow Crash. And this is not the cybersecurity typical book about strategy, techniques, use cases, because it's a science fiction novel. So this book was originally published in 1992, so more than 30 years ago. But why it's important and why it's even now more famous, and I assume you heard about it, and if you didn't, know that this book is claimed to predict and define actually the metaverse that is now mostly used by Facebook and Microsoft and other technological companies. So this book represents Sumerian language as the firmware programming language for the brainstem, which is supposedly functioning as the BIOS for the human brain. And according to the characters in the book, the goddess Ashra is the personification of a linguistic virus, similar to a computer virus. Now, the god Enki created a counter program which he called Namshub. That caused all of the humanity to speak different language as a protection against Ashra. So definitely an amazing read for everyone that likes science fiction and cybersecurity. In some sense, I think it goes together as I like it. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining. Hopefully it was insightful and enjoyable for you. If you want to see such more of content, please keep your comments, add your comments below, and I will be more than happy to create content about it. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe. Bye.